had the boys in for about 5 days. Then we took a break for the new year. The whole of this week, since last week on Friday, we have been in a residential training. We've been able to play a few practice matches with the local sides, and which have been mainly combined sides. We have had a few injuries here and there, and quite a number have recovered. The support has been forthcoming, so we hope we will be able to travel in time for the tournament.
The only international friendly we had is with Uganda, and I can't say it's enough because I think we need more international friendlies. We have new players coming in and some new also seniors who are recalled. I think we will do better than we did in South Africa. We're starting with Namibia, so our main goal, hopefully, is to win the first match with Namibia. Then we go for SA. I can say it's the first time we go for the camp before we go for the championship, and we are ready. We are psyching up. We're also bonding.